Welcome to this high-level introduction video. In this video, we'll present a real-life data quality and cleaning project. We will illustrate how the DataTrim Data Laundry application provides valuable assessments of data quality in a database of approximately 700,000 records. Standardize and normalize the data in the dataset and provide guidance for further cleaning activities. The data is sourced on three systems: a Salesforce database, SIFTROC, and Campaign Monitor. As seen in the initial assessment, the data quality score is concentrated around the 60 mark, with the exception of the data origin from Salesforce, which already shows a data quality score of 80-something. To clean data using algorithms, the principal concern is to know if we can identify country and state, as different countries have different standards for, as an example, postcodes and phone number formats. Looking at the spread of country values, we know that 541,000 doesn't even have a country. And except for the two big bulks of records for Australia and New Zealand, and by the way, this client is based in Australia, we see a wide variety of other values in the country field. The challenge is therefore, 1, to populate the missing countries, 2, to standardize the various spelling of country values, and 3, to correct the country value for the invalid country values. Looking one step deeper at the state level, we see that a lot of records without the country do have a state, so logical we can derive a country value from this. But as we scroll down, we can also see conflicts between state and country values, as an example where the state may say VIC and the country Angola. When looking at Australia isolated, we again see what we expect, but also invalid state values. Same for New Zealand, UK, and United States. It's time to go to the data laundry. We've created a laundry basket for each of the three data sources, and we'll start with the SIFTROC data. As the details show, we have an initial average score of 51 for approximately 53,000 records. The 53,000 records have been identified by creating a simple filtering on lead source. Now, let's clean the basket. We start the washer and a batch job is created. Depending on the number of records, the cleaning may take some time. In this case, the 53,000 records were processed in less than 45 minutes. We notice, to our disappointment, that the records are not all perfectly cleaned. But as the data quality score includes empty fields like phone numbers, this is what should be expected. Back in the dashboard, we now see that the data quality score has changed. From being 51, the majority of the records from SIFTROC are now at 67.8. We now continue with the rest of the data, and once all the records are clean, the picture have even more details. And if we now look at the country and state spread, we see a much cleaner result. But there's still a few questions regarding country and state. The data laundry doesn't just clean the records, it also indicates issues in terms of an outcome code. When, as an example, we create a report for odd countries, we realize that most of these countries actually are correct, and the remaining is mapped incorrectly due to misspellings, etc., which apparently have tricked the algorithms. Once updated, we run the data laundry on the modified records using a special basket, which we call second run. And once this is completed, we can now review the data quality using our dashboards and other reports. If we look at the data quality issues which remains, and explains why we're not at 100%, we see that the majority of the issues are related to missing data, missing titles, missing phone numbers. To improve the data quality even further, we should therefore plan for a data enrichment process and start filling in the blanks. Note that the data laundry also transforms the business card job titles into job roles and job functions. Of the 462,000 leads with the title, the data laundry have been able to provide segmentable job function pick list values for 80% and job roles for more than 188,000 records. The DataTrim Data Laundry includes functionality to append this mapping with client-specific mapping rules so that you can adapt it to the job titles in your database and make the data usable for the marketing team to start prospecting with targeted messaging. Although this project was primarily about country and state identification and standardization, the data laundry also includes other elements. The data laundry cleans and formats phone numbers so that you can use them directly in your auto-dialer application, including international prefixes where needed. It cleans out salutations from name fields, format postal codes to meet local standards, and remove dummy values from your business-critical fields. Each record will be validated, and a data quality indicator will highlight the issues with each individual record, allowing you to effectively address each issue at a time. Please have a look at our website for more information, or keep an eye on our Data Laundry channel here on YouTube for more videos. Thank you for your time.